negative review that we have recently received for the Container Tare app. All of the bugs have been fixed, all of the issues have been addressed. And if you try the app today, regardless of the business scenario, it will function properly. I guarantee it. Now, I'd like to quickly call out and thank the merchant who was gracious enough to give us assistance in helping us find the issue that we needed to find and fix. The merchant that has given us the review has not assisted us by giving us the negative review. He refused to troubleshoot and simply felt that his job was done by providing a negative review. Anyways, we want to thank the right kind of merchant, and please continue working with us and giving us feedback. Now I'm going to quickly show you how the app functions. Alright, so first I'm going to demonstrate the Container Tare setup. And in it we have two containers, large and small, and that's pretty much all you need to do. And now we're going to pull up a register app. In fact, let's just start a new one. And I'm going to select an item that's unit based, and it will right away ask me to select the item, put the item on the scale. So I'm using a cup with my keys in it, and so we're going to sort of demonstrate that the keys is a product and the cup is the container. So there it is, 0.13 pounds. So let me switch. You can see that it's picking it up here. And then we're going to hit save, and right away we are asked to select a container that we would like to tear out. So let's go ahead and take out the 0.06, and it takes us down to 0.069 for this. So basically the container has been taken out from this item, and that's the functionality. Now it's important to note that the scale has the ability to be set up either as unit of ounces, grams, kilograms, and pounds. And you want to make sure that whatever your scale is set up under is that you repeat the same setup in your Clover device. So the item unit of measure has to match. It has to be one of those 4 units of measure, and then the app will function exactly the way that it should. And if it doesn't, Clover itself will catch the bug and guide you through the resolution. Thank you.